Hey, it's Hunter here with the Blizzard Bonafide, and I give the ski 5 stars. It's a pretty cool ski. It's 98 underfoot. There's a lot of skis in that category this year in the sidewall construction, 98 underfoot, all around do everything ski. The ski has a tip and tail rocker, so it's really forgiving, easy to make a variety of turn shapes with. Feels like a jazz ski on edge, so if you want that jazz ski edge hold and are willing to sacrifice a little bit of stability at speed for making it easier to initiate a turn, this is a great option. I really liked it.